Hello everyone, this is Susua. Today we will be unboxing something not so fancy but very essential in my daily life. In this very big box, it's supposed to be the refill to my Louis Vuitton agenda, desk agenda 2026 is supposed to be in here. So it's just a refill, and I know the box looks so big. I am as curious as you are. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Let's open the box. So I ordered this online because I didn't really have the time to go into the store. And of course it came in this big box with the full Louis Vuitton iconic packaging. Here there is a bag, a sack, I don't know how to call it, the carry bag. And then there is it. There is the envelope with the receipt. On top, a card if I am giving it away as a gift. There is the envelope with the receipt. The return form, just in case I need it. And I also added a little note to myself, something I always do. A box in a box. Inside the box, we have the agenda refill, nicely packaged in this classic blue wrapping. Okay, so it's a box in a box in a box, just that this one is not a card box. You know what, let's get this out of the way and explore. Let's open this. Honestly, it looks the same as last year's and the year before that and the year before that. So yeah, it's basically the same every year, just with a new calendar theme and a few updated pictures. Oh, this is the sticker. It always comes with a sticker. This is the sticker of the year. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to flip through this very quick so that you can see. Yes, my agenda is packed. I keep my whole life in here. How do you organize yours? Yeah, I really keep a lot in my agenda, yes. Everything goes in here basically. See, these are the stickers I got last year. I actually haven't used them yet because, as you can see, I do use other stickers that aren't Louis Vuitton branded ones. So, but comparing the two, I kind of feel like last year's stickers look better, or maybe it's just me. Oh, and here's a card for my essay. Shout out to Felicia from Antwerp, Louis Vuitton. She's amazing, always so kind and helpful. Okay, let's empty the cover. Let the swapping begin. See, I told you they look the same every year. Here's a quick comparison between the old and the new. Okay, so this one is the new one. Let's try and put it in the cover. It's not really simple, but it's also not really rocket science difficulties that you might be facing. Just fold it a little bit, do one side first, and then you put the other one inside, and voila. See, that was fast. Yeah, and then once it's inside, you just have to adjust it a little bit just to get it back into shape and the form of the cover or of the agenda. See the stickers that I was talking about. These are the non-branded ones that you can get from any bookstore, that I actually always buy extra if I'm in need of. Yeah, I'm about to, as you are viewing or as you can see, I'm about to put all my all my life back inside. All my planners, all my work stuff, private and yeah, also public related. Everything is in here. Honestly, without this agenda, I don't even know what I'm going to do. Seriously. I actually live in there. I plan my life in there. Everything is in here. If I say everything is in here, it's like everything that I need for the week. So for the next day, everything that I need for the next day is in here. So yeah, I open it like the whole day to take out what is not needed and put new stuff inside. I actually plan ahead, let's say months ahead. Et voila, we are done. I'm so excited. See, I don't know why this amused me, but yeah, it makes me happy. Yeah, it makes me happy. Okay, let's do a very quick comparison between the two. So this is the Agenda 2025, and as you saw me replacing it with the 2026 one. Let's just flip through very quick. Yeah, everything extra that you are seeing is my own stuff. The first page is basically the whole year calendar. It's just from, and any holidays are also, I think is the general holidays in there, like Christmas, Valentine and those stuff, because every country or most countries differs from the other. And then yeah, then you have like 1 or 2 pages that you can put in notes or extras. There is also a front page that you can like introduce yourself. You put about yourself as the agenda holder, you put your details on there, and then the rest is basically just the months, from January to December. And then they always give extra 7 days, I think, for the next year. So the new year coming, you have just 7 days. Voila, there it is, all done and packed. Et voila. All right. That was it for today. Do you also use a daily planner or any form of agenda? Is it as packed as mine? Is there anything that you want to share with me? Leave it all in the comment section below. I hope you did enjoy this video as I did making it. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.